Want to create a smooth rolling title animation framer? No code, no problem, let's do it in 6 minutes. Fast, easy and pro level. First, position your title in the center of the screen. Then create a new component. Name the component rolling animation title. Right, let's rename the variant to open. Later on we will create a second variant called closed. So now let's use the universe text and split it into single characters. So it's just a boring copy and paste work. Let's fast forward. So last letter is done. Then remove the text, right? So only characters are inside the variant, and make the variant overflow visible. Later on we will change it back to hidden. And then use your keys and shift to position the characters underneath or above each letter. And with the second variant, so now let's create a second variant. Now we're moving the letters to the opposite side. The second variant is the visual endpoint. The first variant is the visual starting point. So it's pretty easy with Framer to animate two states. Let's change the overflow property to hidden, and let's create a new animation between them. So now let's play and test it. Awesome. So this is how you get the rolling title animation. Pretty awesome. You can remix this project, the link is in the bio.